Welcome friends to my channel and my video. So today we are going to do our topic of discussion is conversion conservation. I'm so sorry. Conservation. So we need to preserve and take good care of the earth and its resources, the air, the water, the soil, plants, not the air, water, soil, plants, animals on which we depend. This is what the conservation is all about. Let's learn to conserve, play a game and find out some like what harm and what help can you conserve for see, can you make a game out of it? Yes, by this one game you can make out this fun game and you can do it. So I have done it because I'm going to explain it, but I'm going to show you a fun game. So make a paper like this and till 1 to 27 or 100 if you want. Think of the conservation methods and some drawings, draw in it. Take a dice and play with another one and see what is written in that. Hope that will help to conserve more and more things. If you once go to something, you will go for you. So basically, first tap left running, miss a go. So I'm going to do it in a very funny way this whole video. So in this whole video we are going to do I'm going to teach you how to make a game out of it and also what is the value of that thing. So first there will be 27 boxes for your information, and first one, if your tap is left out, go and let run, and if the tap is running, go and shut it off, and in that case you have to miss a go. You have to give another go to your friend. Next, second. So first, the value of water. Water is a valuable thing. It is essential for life, so never waste it. See, if water will be not exist in this whole world because there is only 2% of water in the whole world. So if you just waste it like that, like you just you don't know, like while you come for play, after you come for playing, you just do your hands like this. If you just think the water, the dirtiness of your hands, so it will like go and just, and after that I guarantee you, actually not I, everyone guarantees you that no one will exist in this world. So water is a valuable thing, very much a valuable thing. Please save it, don't waste it. Use as much you want, but as per your use, please conserve also. Now second thing is cutting down of trees. See, I'm as much I have made the drawings, I'm telling you, I'm explaining you. You can think of more things, like you can make a chart of it and you can do. So basically, so first, next is the cutting down of trees. So destroying forest. The second one is, let me write, water is valuable. Second one, deforestation. Deforestation or cutting down of trees is a very bad habit, and if you have in your game this part, you write over there miss a go, so that you will remember after you miss a go. Like if you remember this game, you will if you play this game, you will remember that how deforestation can harm your community. And I always write a reason between why you are missing a go, so that whenever you miss a go, you will understand the reason why I'm missing a go. So always. So next is car. Driving to a friend's house. Your friend's house is nearby or shop is nearby and you're driving for it. It's a stupid thing you are doing. So Then in that case also miss a go. Sorry, it's a 3. Driving to nearby. Number 5 is cycle. So cycling to school, move forwards. Like if you're cycling to school daily, so if you have the chart of cycling to school, you have a box for that. So right over there, good for you. And cycling is essential, and of course we should cycle so that we will conserve more and more energy, reduce pollution, reduce everything. I'm not really always do a cycle, but even though in car you can do, like every individual person in this modern life have a car or a scooty or a bike. Why just don't you share? Like if your neighbor does have a car, you have a car, let one person one day drive. Like if you have a car and your neighbor also have a car, means 2 person driving. Like you are an individual person, you are not going a family trip that whole family will go in the car. You will go with her office or any of the school programs or anything. So what will happen that you will reduce increase the pollution as well as your neighbor. Why not decrease the pollution in just giving a carpool? Like carpool in the sense, this is a very good motive. Like it is, you drive a car, but along with it, take some people with you. Like suppose your neighbor have a urgent job, like not work. He's also going for work. You also go for work, and like you can drop him or her. You can go for easily to your car, like your office, your any time of work. So like that only your neighbor can help. You can do a individual week by week, or if one day he or she is absent, you can go for your individual ones. So that's what reducing of thing without car only. So cycling. Cycling more places, like bicycle unlike car don't pollute the air. So it will not pollute the air, but it will improvise your health also. Like cycling every day, you will not need any sort of a physical exercise to be fit. But if you cycle at least for till you shop every day, nearby shops, you will feel healthy, not fit, but like you will feel like more of like thing, like you are very happy. Happiness is important in the life, not fit or just to be what you are. Happiness is important. To be happy, be bit fit, will be slim. So to be happy, you will feel happy while cycling. After cycling, you will feel happy. Your inside, like your soul will feel relaxed, because cycling while in the God's sun, you after you reach your destination, you will feel I have done a work very good. Always think while cycling that I have to reach my destination as fast as I can. So you will feel like I have achieved a gold medal. That's the best thing of this. And if you drive a car, like car have ACs and then all, you will go sitting. Yes, you have to use your hands and legs, but still cycling is better. In that also you just have to use a leg. So that's what a thing is about. Next, number 6. Number 6. Sorry, this is 4. I'm again mistaking with the numbers 5th. So number 5th one is windmill. So what is about this windmill? So wind farm creates electricity. Wind is a renewable resource. So energy using does not harm the environment. So it will not at all harm the environment. Wind energy will give you more and more energy. So when the wind blows, the fan will go round and round and round and round, and it will give you more and more electricity. So wind energy. Number 6. What is this dustbin is about? So litter can harm soil wild, plants, animals, humans. So whatever I'm telling in a negative way, like littering, now driving with car to nearby places, so that way, that part in your game should be a miss a go and with a reason. Yeah. So littering. So litter and can harm the nearby environment, harm animals, because if you will litter something not inside a dustbin or any other place, so what will happen? Of course, it will have a very bad smell after 2 or 3 days if no person just put it in the dustbin or just doesn't take it. But also the like the animals like cows and dogs, they are animals of streets. They don't have brain that they will not eat it. They do not have a like a comparison between food and plastic. So of course they will eat it, and they have a very bad blockade in their neck, and they may die for that. So in short, indirectly you are making a animal cause of death. Now seventh one, which is our greatly industry. Oh, industry, full of industry, our houses. So basically, what does industry do or factory do? This harms the plant, animals living nearby. So do you know why this industry, if you have observed in any monuments, nearby any monuments, there will be no industry. Why? Do you ever seen it? Nearby any monument, there will be no sort of a there's like in a particular till a particular kilometers there will be no industries. Because for example, if you have ever visited Taj Mahal in Agra, so you must have realized that for a particular kilometers there will be no industries, because industrial gas are so bad and containing waste products. That gas, what will do, it will cause acid rain, which can harm the monument of Taj Mahal called as I'm giving you an example. And Taj Mahal is full of marble. So what does that marble will do? After the acid rain, the historical monuments start from melting. The marble will not sustain as it is now. It will be either melted or as it will be just finished off, pizzed off. So factory. And factory goes to a bad deed, so also miss a go. If we are making this game according to me, so factory, next harm animals, next deforestation, water value, driving, these things should give a miss a go, so that you understand these things are very bad. Whenever you play this game, you will understand that in our life we have responsibilities. I'm not telling responsibility is just towards your house, and yes, it's towards your house, it's towards your health only. If you protect these things only, you will be alive for 100 years, because these things will help you over your generations to generations to generations. So never ever think that I am only the thing I should care about, or my family, because you are caring of your family by saving this, by using this. So next is planting trees. Planting trees. Number 8. Planting trees will help you. Like if you are using if you have ever seen, my concept is we actually cut down trees, we say, but I want to give you a solution that if you cut down a tree, use a seed and plant plant a seed beside it, so that if you cut down a tree, so another tree you are planting also, means as much you will cut down the tree, as per you will cut down the tree, the more you will plant over the tree. So the proportion of cutting down and plantation will be fine, and of course do take care of it. so that whenever you come to cut down more trees, you will find out that my plant is growing. So I hope you revolve in that part of your life. That's kind of a revolution also. That's kind of a good thing also. If you don't revolve also, you will get more trees to cut. That's what a thing is, and that is your type of your own property, you know. Next, planting more trees. Planting more trees. Next, number 9. Birds. So reserve give birds other wildlife a safe home. You must have seen many birds have just go here and there for search of home. Yes, they also are a being who are living in this particular world. So you don't have any right of giving like just taking away anybody's home or not giving your property to use or any other, because yes, this is your property, but this earth is equal to us humans and equal to those pretty much animals also. So we don't have any right to take their home or don't share our world to them. So basically, reserve birds. So in these cases, number 9, number 8, number 4, and number 5 are the things you should give a chance to move some steps forward in your game. Next number 10 is last one, plant vegetables and do farming at your home only, so that you will get your own food and you will never try to go to shops and bargain or get any type of chemicals to your house. Plant your own foods, plant your own thing. If you are so possessive, we humans are so possessive about ourselves because we need everything from nature, so why not just give take nature, plant nature in our own house only, so that we will not get any harmness from that particular chemicals which are added. So plant vegetables. Next is, how is our planet affected? Energy. Let's start from energy. So energy, natural fuels such as gas, coals are used to cook quickly and cannot be replaced. So this energy from these resources we are getting from coal, fuels, everything, that cannot be replaced again, reused again, because they are limited. They are not unlimited. Like wind, water, they're unlimited. You can use as much you want, as freely you want. But this coal, this fuel, this petroleum, it's limited in the quantity. So that's what it does. Now population, of course. Waste gases in the atmosphere trap heat from sun, so the earth get hotter. Sorry, population, I'm writing here. It's pollution, sorry. Pronunciation mistake. So it's pollution. So basically this is what is done. Now water, higher temperature along with a low rainfall eventually lead to drought. Food, drought, soil pollution can damage the crops, so there is not enough food. Forest, cutting down trees can lead to plants, let the plants and animals lose their homes. Waste, what is now waste? So waste pollutes the environments. Also, if we waste resources, then we will run out of these resources. So this was a game free and a good video about nature. So hope you understand the video well. So thank you for watching my video. Do do make the game, so that whenever you see the game and play the game, you will understand the importance of nature in your life. So hope you understand the video well. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. Please do subscribe, like, and comment, share everything. So bye.